Hi everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly's Bead Boutique. So I've been making and teaching how to make jewelry for a very long time. And one of the comments that I always hear is, you make it look so easy. Well, I think it is, and I want to show you just how easy it can be. So I'm going to take some simple parts and some simple techniques and put them together and teach you how to make your very own jewelry. If you want to see what I'm making today, come and join me. All right, so let's get these earrings put together. So we have a couple pieces of this, it's like a faux leather, and you'll have, I think, 3 different color choices to have with those. We've got a couple hammered rings. We've got some little end caps, a couple 6mm jump rings, and a pair of ear wires. And for tools, we're just going to need our chain nose pliers. We're going to need some Loctite super glue, and we're going to need a little piece of paper towel folded over to clean up any of the excess glue. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I like to do, because this has a little bit of a curve to it, is I like to sort of force it back the other way. So it is a little bit of a stretchy material, so I'm just putting my thumbs in and giving it a little gentle pull so that it kind of curves back the other way. Now I'm going to take my bead cap and some of my Loctite glue, and I'm going to drop down a little drop inside there. Now I don't want to have it spilling out, but I do need enough to make sure that this is going to hold. So now I'm going to take it and fold it in half. Now one side has no hole and this side has a hole. I'm going to be using the end that has a hole, and I want to fold it in half exactly and then put it up inside the bead cap. Now I want to make sure when I'm doing this that I turn it and make sure that the bead cap, that the loop is going this direction here. It has to be sort of, if I never know how to explain this, but I want it to be able to look down through the loop and not have it turn sideways, because it's really important that this is going the right direction. So now what I want to do is I want to take hold of one end and this side, and I want to push them gently towards each other, and I'm going to hold this for about 30 seconds. And also make sure that you don't have any of the glue on your fingers when you're doing this, because when you do, if you pull your fingers off after, you will pull away part of the fabric, because this glue is super strong. Now see, some of these colors that I have of this material go in really easily. Like this rose gold one here goes really quickly, but the black one has a little bit more of a sort of a slick to it, and it tends to want to pop out. So I found that with the black one, I want to hold it for a little bit longer. So after about 30 seconds, we're going to be able to open it up, and now you can see it's created this cute little petal sort of appearance. So let's finish putting these together. So now I'm just going to take one of my jump rings. I'm going to place my pliers on one side and my bent chain nose on the other. And I forgot to mention that you do need bent chain nose at the very beginning of this video. So now I'm just going to twist open. I'm going to run that through the top of that hole, and I'm going to attach my decorative ring, and I'm going to do that up. And you just kind of want to jiggle it back and forth until it kind of clicks in there. Now I'm going to open up my ear wire by doing sort of the same thing. I just kind of come across and open it that way and run that through there and do it up, and there you go. There is one of the world's fastest pair of earrings that are super cute, and I'm just going to show you all the different colors I have available here. There you go. There's the world's fastest earrings. I think you can actually make these in under 2 minutes, and that includes dry time. So you're going to have a few different options. You get to choose the color of your metal and the color of the faux leather. They will be available in kit form. You just go down into the description box in this video. You either click on the little down arrow, or I think on your computer it might say see more, and then it'll take you right to my website where you can order the kit. These are going to be really affordable, and I think they're going to be a fun little gift to make for people too. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a like, leave me a comment, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.